Welcome back to another video. We got a rainy day in New York. We're picking up some pipes and we headed to Florida. So we getting strapped up, headed to Florida. It's rainy, it's muddy, and we're gonna hop on this road, man. I'm just showing y'all a little video. Load is not really that high. It's probably about exactly 13.6. One of these straps on there. We're gonna get this front loaded. We're gonna hop on the road, man. I'm gonna keep y'all tapped in. New York to Florida. Let's go. And we finally loaded. Threw on some extra straps. From New York to Florida. It's wet and it's muddy out here. It's grimy. Get it in, man. Let's go. I could have strapped this up like a little bit better, but I'm ready to hop on the road and get going. Tap back in with y'all when we take a little stop and when we get to Florida. Let's go. Yes, sir. We made it. We made it to Florida, man. Get the truck getting unloaded. New York all the way to Florida, man. Quick video.